What is this? What do we have here, boys? What do we have here? No, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a little bit of a little creek adventure, okay? So this is the creek that's out behind my house. Earlier this year, we had a bunch of rainbow trout that were in here, big rainbow trout, and they're extremely fun to catch. But now that it's so hot in the summertime, they have kind of moved up and down the stream, right? But whenever I was out here, probably about a week or two ago, I got into some fun little red-eyed bass. And so my goal for today is going to pretty much walk up and down this little section of this creek and see if I can land some rainbow trout, maybe get back into some of them red-eyed bass. But I also heard that some largemouth have got into this creek. Now, if I find a largemouth in this creek, I'm going to lose my mind. I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm going to lose my mind. So big goal today. Pretty much it's just going to be an adventure, right? Pretty much just an adventure to kind of see what I can get into here and hopefully set the hook on something. So let's go ahead. I got the chesty on today. I'm gonna go ahead and get in this water and hopefully get this party started. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna start out with a little rooster tail. That's what I was catching those red eyes on last time I was out here. I need to put my phone in a different pocket. Is it gonna fit there? Should. There we go. All right, so I was able to find a different section to get in. All the other sections I've got in have not been this easy of access, but pretty much just gonna hit some of this slack water and see if I can come up with something. This is really skinny slack water, but I'm gonna try to get over here so I can get into some more of the little deeper pockets. Man, I tell you what, beautiful area. But if I get into some largemouth, it's gonna be a day. It is gonna be a day. Now, I forgot my pew at home, so hopefully I don't get into no bear, because we've had a lot of bear up here. So, should be interesting. Right now, oh, something just bumped it. Right now I'm just throwing a little rainbow rooster tail just to see if I can get anything to bite on it. But we shall see. We shall see. Last time, whenever I caught them, I was in a little bit deeper pockets, not so much shallow pockets. Woo! There's a spider web right there. But it's just pretty little small, little micro session right here, just to see what I can come up with. Oh, it's a rock. Oh. See, like this little area right here. It's just slack water. Or not slack water, it's a little bit, it's moving water, but it's in a little bit of a deeper hole. Something just hit it right there. There's one. What is this? Is that a carp or a darter? Oh my gosh, look at that. Man, these little fish are just fun. Fun to catch. It's a pretty fish though. Real pretty fish. Oh. Alright. He didn't want to stay out and play. I was definitely not a bass species, so take that off our list. Oh man, old fawn just ran across the creek a minute ago. that's a juicy little hole right there. Ooh. Man, this little creek is absolutely beautiful. What is this? What do we have here, boys? What do we have here? No, 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 no. Dude, that was a freaking largemouth. That was a largemouth. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. All right. Whoo. Ran right back up under that log. Timber trout. Oh my goodness. That was a largemouth. Dude, if that's the case, oh my gosh. I'm about to have a field day. An absolute field day. There's probably not a lot of them, but oh boy, this is gonna be a hole right here. Oh boy. That's kind of a good place to start. I think I fished this area before. Oh yeah, what do we got here? Oh no, I got two chasing it. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I think that's a largemouth. Oh, it is. It sure is. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is gonna be some fun times right there. Definitely a pretty one right there. Woo. I need to go get my bag. Ooh, he just hit that one. There he goes. That's that other one. Oh yeah, that's a... Ooh, big dog. You need to eat, big dog. You need to eat. It's a good little size largie right there. Ooh. Man, he mean. You can tell he's been living in here. Look at that. Bumping up and all sorts of things. Woo! That's fun. Fun little bass right there. All right. Try and get another one. I'm gonna walk back down to where I kind of put in, and then I'm gonna walk down from there to see if I can find another little hole. I don't know how far I can get down there, but we shall see. All right, I made it to where I put in at. I'm gonna try to move down this way. I don't think I can get very far, but I'm gonna try. It's just before I walk through it. I think I can maneuver my way around. May get a little deep right there. It shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. Ooh, something in the woods right there. Yep, we're going a little bit deep right here. Oh yeah. Don't get over the boots. They're over the boots. They're over the boots. Oh man, that sucks. Whew. That sucks. Oh. Now I'm 100 pounds on my feet. Oh. I knew I was gonna get hung up right there. Ooh, I about just busted it. This one's gonna be difficult. I think I can hug this side. Yeah, okay, I'm through. Oh yeah, I see a juicy spot. Oh my goodness. You have got to be kidding me. This is the spot. This is where Mama and Daddy's gonna be hanging. Oh, and I'm sunken. I got so much water in my boots. Oh my goodness. Oh, one just jumped too. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's another creek. Oh boy. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Now that's just juicy right here. Deep water. that just ruined my day. Look at that. That rod just broke in half. Dang. That sucks. I just saw something hit that little bit of top water right there. So I'm fishing with a see, there's another thing right there. I'm fishing with a broken rod. God, I'm an idiot. Alright, I'm gonna use this bass rod, even though I know I ain't gonna really catch nothing on it. But I'm gonna at least try it while I'm here. And we'll see. Small bass will hit some crazy things, so. If I catch one on this, it'd be a miracle. Oh, I'm gonna lose that bait. I got it. Something was just right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's the end of the day right there. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for the little creek fishing adventure. That was really cool. You know, I went out there not knowing what I was going to get into. I knew there was a few little red-eye bass, and obviously I knew there was trout, but I never would have thought there would have been a largemouth in there or some type of largemouth hybrid. I am no species expert. I'm just going to go ahead and make that note clear. Not an expert, but definitely in the largemouth family. And I don't know if that other one was like a little carp or a little darter. I don't know, that first one I caught out there. Really cool little time. If I did not break the little trout rod I had with the rooster tail on it, I definitely would have kept on moving down as much as I could, or really kind of fished a couple more little pockets. And that is only a teeny tiny section of that creek. So I'm definitely going to go more prepared next time and really get into some of these tight little holes and see what I can come up with. Now that I know that there's bass down there, it's going to be over. I'm going to know every square inch of that creek, hands down. But anyways, guys, if you like these types of little adventure videos, please let me know in the comment section below. I love just going out and not having to get a bunch of stuff, literally a rod or two, a little bit of tackle, and going on an adventure. So if you like this type of stuff, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will gladly produce some more content of this. It was really cool. Didn't really get much time down there, but the little time I had was awesome. So, guys, anyways, let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. And if you know exactly what those little species that I caught are, let me know in the comment section below, guys. Let's get a little bit active. Come on, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. Well, anyways, guys, I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of the day. I'm going to go in and get cleaned up, chow down on some grub, and hopefully end the night off right, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Stay classy, stay tuned. Deuces.